Ever wondered how teaching can evolve into a scholarly practice? Today, we'll explore the scholarship of teaching, or SoT. This approach revolutionizes how educators reflect on their practices to enhance student learning. It merges research with teaching to create lasting impacts. So, what exactly is the scholarship of teaching? It's a systematic study of teaching practices. Teachers engage in research-minded methods to improve student outcomes. SoT goes beyond casual reflection. It emphasizes rigor, evidence, and transparency. Its goal? To transform teaching into an investigatory profession. Now, let's break down the theoretical foundations of SoT. It connects to several important ideas. Action research, for starters, encourages educators to investigate their practices. Evidence-based practice is another key component. It ensures methods are grounded in proven results. Ernest Boyer's scholarship model also plays a vital role. It includes discovery, integration, application, and teaching. Next, let's explore the core components of SoT. First is an inquiry orientation. Educators ask investigable questions. For instance, how does peer instruction affect learning in my chemistry lab? This focused questioning leads to better insights. Next comes designing and implementing interventions. Educators create instructional methods based on existing theories and evidence. Imagine redesigning a lab sequence to enhance learning experiences. Following this, there's data collection and analysis. Proper instruments and rubrics capture student learning effectively. Using qualitative and quantitative methods enriches understanding of outcomes. This step ensures robust evidence of effectiveness. Reflection and revision come next. Educators critically assess their findings to improve teaching strategies. This process fosters a mindset of continuous improvement. Lastly, there's dissemination. Sharing results is crucial. Educators present findings at conferences and publish in peer-reviewed journals. This openness invites critique and encourages broader adoption. So, what are the implications of SoT for professional development? Institutions that embrace SoT create environments that support pedagogical research. They offer incentives and infrastructure for educators. Programs like grant funding and formal recognition in promotions encourage scholarly teaching. This nurturing environment cultivates a culture of inquiry among educators. In summary, the scholarship of teaching is a vital approach. It bridges teaching and research, promoting continuous improvement in education. By systematically studying teaching practices, educators can enhance student learning and share valuable knowledge. Ready to transform your teaching practice? Consider adopting the scholarship of teaching in your own work. Explore existing research, ask questions, and engage with your institution's resources. Start your journey towards scholarly teaching today.